kind of a messed up song is this? So I have random animals that I recorded a while ago. So I'm just gonna flash through those as I play this song about animals. Animals, they are so nice. I like to eat them with fried rice, and I know I want to go there. Animals, they can fly if they have wings. If they try and they don't, they'll die. And I know that's such a shame, but then we can eat them. I don't know where this is going, but it's Valentine's Day, and this goes out to all you named Valentine. Like, oh, you must have a Valentine today. And you're like, no, it's my name, dumbass. I like dogs, but if I had the words, I like dogs in mouth, it sounds kind of weird. And then if I say hot before the word dog, it makes it a little bit normal. Yeah. Are we still talking about animals? I want to talk about stores. I was at a store the other day. I bought something for $3.25. So I gave the girl $4. She hands me back 3/4, and I'm like, oh, thank you. And she's like, man, I hate quarters. I looked at her, I was mad. I said, my dad's a quarter. Irish. That offended me a little bit. I went to the zoo the other day, and this guy came up to me and asked me, yo man, where are the cougars at? So I looked at him, I was like, man, you're at the wrong place. Cougar night was yesterday, and that was at the bar. He smiled. He just walked away. I don't know what I'm playing. You know that joke? Well, I was 6 afraid of 7. Most people think because 7, 8, 9. But why was 6 afraid? Because if you're German, 7 didn't need a thing. Because 9 means none. Or no. Numbers are not animals. That's the lesson. So I once was told that the pineapple is a symbol of hospitality. So when a customer annoyed me, I just hit him in the head with a pineapple, and I was like, there you go. Millipedes and centipedes must be Canadian. Because in America, they'd be called footipedes and inchipedes. Those are animals. I love pickup lines, but I think I forgot the term pickup when I'm using them. Because I go up to somebody and I look at them and I'm like, "Do you have Lucky Charms for breakfast? Because you look magically delicious." Then they look at me with that weird glance and they just walk away. It's not much picking up, it's more like dropping off, but you don't really have a package to drop off. We're all animals. I guess if I tell a joke about another person, then that's technically telling a joke about an animal, but maybe I should tell a joke about two wooden blocks. There were two wooden blocks. And I don't think they played the guitar. Because if they played the guitar, they'd probably be more like... Now, if you slide a wooden block against a guitar, it'd probably be more like... But what the hell am I talking about? Once I heard somebody talking about sunglasses. Thought it was some kind of device you could drink the sun in. I once went to a party with vegetables. By the end of the night, everyone was sick of the corn. I was like, gosh, you're too corny. When I'm answering a phone, I like to pretend that I'm an answering machine. So then the person on the other line, they just go on and on about what they want to tell me. I just listen in, don't say a word. And then when they're done, I'm like, thank you for calling. Have a nice day. I'm gonna change it up a little bit. You gotta do that too. That